Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again to find backup and reset option, and here let's tap on reset phone. As you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and simply tap on reset network settings. Let's wait, and as you can see we've got this information that the network reset has been completed. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.